Have you noticed that all the sliced bread in grocery stores is gone? But just feet away from all those empty shelves are piles and piles of hot dog and hamburger buns. And that's bread too. And they're great substitutes for things like sandwiches, toasts, and this fun recipe that I'm going to show you how to make today. Hi, I'm Crystal Futrell, K-State's Health and Food Safety Extension Agent for Johnson County, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really fun, easy, and fast pantry recipe called Mama's Pizza Boats. But first, let's wash our hands.
First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Next, line a baking tray with foil to create a non-stick surface and for easy cleanup. Pull out the buns and separate the halves. Place each half face side up on the baking tray. Spoon a generous amount of pizza sauce over each bun half. Now for the sauce, I'm using canned here, but if you have homemade, that works great too. If you wanted to make taco pizza boats, substitute refried beans for the sauce. Now for the toppings. There's shredded cheese, of course, and you can add whatever else you like. Deli cold cuts, mini pepperonis, fresh cut veggies, even leftover roasted veggies would be delicious. Then into the oven for 5 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese has melted and the toppings are golden and toasty.
And here we have Mama's Pizza Boats. This recipe was fast, easy, fun, and it tastes pretty good too. You can find this and other pantry-friendly recipes at Extension's www.jocoeats.com website. Thanks for watching.